everyone, in this video we want to show you our new product Jumbo Soft. Jumbo Soft is a good friend of our bestseller Jumbo. These braided cords are a real revolution. What is the difference between Jumbo and Jumbo Soft? For the first, Jumbo Soft is lighter than Jumbo. It is more delicate and more soft in the touch. Jumbo Soft has less volume. Its diameter is 1 mm smaller than Jumbo. The diameter of Jumbo Soft is 8 mm. After braiding, it's more flexible. This cord is perfect for projects such as a handbag, macrame, bedspread or puffs. Jumbo Soft braided we have at 12 best-selling color on our website. We hope that you like our new kind of cords. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!